Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? And I want to say thank you to all my subbies and all my new followers, and I appreciate your love and support throughout the year. And just have a small little haul that I want to share from Tuesday morning. I got some of these totally exposed dividers. These are 8x8 and they're $1.99. They're chipboard, so you can make some albums, and I only think they're 5 pages each. Even though they call them dividers, I would just put rings in them or ribbon and make some albums out of them. And they have little different divider pages. And this was, the SKU is 1853280, and again they're $1.99, and that's 8x8. And then I got two 9x12 ones. They're $1.99, and their numbers is, let's see, 1853279. So two of those 9x12. Again, same thing, just different dividers on the edge. I got two ephemera packs, which I'm debating on why they cost different. They're both the snap ones. This says 117, this says 120. The one that was 117 cost $4.99, and this one cost $3.99. But anyway, the one that's called, it's called Travel, and it's 1848490. So what you get in this pack, all of those things right there. So it's travel theme, and so you get 117 pieces, 16 4x6, 34 3x4, 16 4x4, and 34 2x2 double-sided cards, and 19 bits and pieces for $4.99. For the $3.99 one, this one is called, I'm gonna say it's called Hello, but I don't know if that's the actual name of it, because it doesn't say on this one. Life Snap Pack. So anyway, that number is 1848393. And that is what those look like. These are nice for your project life, your embellishments, pocket cards, tags, things like that. So of this 120 pieces, you get 18 4x6, 36 3x4, and 12 4x4, and 24 2x2 double-sided cards, and 30 bits and pieces. So I just thought they were kind of cute, some of those cards in there. I got this little artsy $1.49 metal embellishment with Paris themes on it. You can see the Eiffel Tower tag in the camera. And that was $1.49. Nice to hang off embellishments off of a photo album or something like that. 1909732. This other metal one by Artsy was $1.49 as well, and it's 1909720. And this is just some flowers. Probably be nice on the front of an album cover. And these are some earring backings, 99 cents, 1859437. So just some pieces to the back of earrings, 38 pieces. And then these are just some rings, some binding rings, $1.49, 10 pieces, little jump rings that you open and close. And there are 1909736. Sorry about that, YouTube. My card was full and it ran out on me. But I believe I was showing you this one last by Jilibean. And that was the first one, and that digit was 61. And then this one was 47. That's 1910047. And this one is called Make It Happen. And that's what those stickers look like. Again, these would be great for planners, cards, tags, embellishments. I thought they were super cute. Did get this one stamp set for $1.99, 1891142. This is by Oasis, 4 to 4 pieces. So that's the 26 alphabet and the numbers 0 to 9, and then some extra symbols down here that we use. Hashtag, question mark, and exclamation point, those kind of things. And this is the old sticker by Imaginus, 49 cents, 1815539, and this is just milk, cookies and milk and cookies. And then I got this by Chamel's 45 scratch off stickers, and sorry about that, and some stickers. Oh, sorry, I'm out of phone. Some scratch off stickers, so you have the little gold and the stickers, you scratch off what's under it. So you can add these to a card or tag for fun. And it was only $149. I only saw one pack. 1815683. So just to add some fun to a card. I did get one sticker for $3.99. Graphic 45 1907919. And this is pastries, menu, do everything, but let it produce joy. I don't think I have that set. And then I got, this was $9.99. This was the Sizzix, Momenta pillow box die for $9.99, and it's 1909709. I saw that in one store. And then I got the Spellbinders die, 3-piece. It's called Neighborhood Glance, and it's S4514, you know, because they have the Spellbinders as their numbers. And this one is a Shapeability, and it is 1881790, $4.99. So that's the pieces. That's the pieces right there, and they range in size from, the largest is 5.75 by 1.5, and the smallest is 3/4 and a half. So, you know, let me just see that real quick. I hadn't seen this one anywhere, but that's the largest piece. So you can kind of see, nice size there. That should be fun. That's a 3-piece set. And then last but not least, that's from Tuesday morning. A couple items from the Dollar Tree. I just got a pack of the 4 sheets, 20 pack. Guess what that costs? $1 from the Dollar Tree. Haha. So different colors in there. And then don't be fooled. They repackaged their stickers that were in the long skinny things that were probably like 11 by 6 or something like that. So now they're 8.5 by 11, but they're the same stickers. I didn't realize that till after I got home. But anyway, this is the purple set. You've seen it, so don't let them fool you. They are the same stickers. They just put them in different packaging, different size. Yep. This one I didn't have before. This one was different though. This is actually upside down. So that concludes that haul, and I have plenty more to share, but that concludes those two. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subbing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.